so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 different hair products that I've been using recently and give you guys my feedback on those. So I actually did this very same type of video with mascaras and with foundations. So I'm going to link that in the down bar for you guys if you guys are looking for, different mascaras and foundations. And I'm also going to do this with a lot more products because I feel like these videos would be really helpful to you guys. And also, I've been really getting into hair stuff. I know I've done a lot of hair product videos, but I've been trying a lot of new things since I recently changed my hair, as you guys could tell. So, I thought that I'd give you guys my feedback on all that stuff. And the first one is the Aveeno Pure Renewal Shampoo, and this is sulfate free. The active ingredient is seaweed extract, and it says it refreshes and rebalances for healthy manageability. The problem with this sulfate free shampoo is that the whole purpose of this is to make sure that you don't have as much product build up on your hair, and it also combats your oily hair and stuff like that. It's supposed to be really good for your hair because sulfates are bad for your hair and they will cause your hair to get oily and stuff from all the product buildup. The problem is it doesn't work into a rich enough lather, and I understand that. I understand that it would defeat the purpose if it was all of a sudden like moisturizing and, rich lather up in here, but I honestly need it to work up into a lather enough so that I don't have to use so much product, because I feel like I'm using so much of this shampoo that it is so hard to rinse out of my hair. And it's just a lot more effort than it's worth. And then my hair still looks greasy. So I washed my hair last night and my hair still looked greasy this morning. So I don't know what to do about that. I really just am not a fan of this shampoo. I'm going to try a different sulfate-free shampoo. And then if they don't work for me, I'm just going to, use regular shampoo because I'm getting the same exact results. And then what I do use, though, to combat my oil is the dry shampoo from Batiste. This is such a great dry shampoo, you guys. I can only speak for this one. This is the one for deep and dark brown hair, so it does give like a charcoaly tint that you just massage out of your hair in a couple of seconds, and then it looks natural in, my color hair. But they have all different kinds if you guys want to try them. I just really recommend this one for those of you who have dark brown hair. I just really like this because it gives your hair so much volume, and you don't have to use so much product. I of course use more than other people would because I don't use it so that I can wash my hair every other day. I use it so that I don't have to wash my hair for 3 or 4 days. So I use a lot more product than other people would, but I just feel like this keeps my hair looking fresh for 3 or 4 days while I don't wash my hair. So I really like that, and it's on sale right now. Buy one get one free at Ulta, and you can use your Ulta coupon and stuff. So thought that was great. And then I have a couple other hair products. These are all moisturizing. This one is a Tresemme Nourishing Rituals Rejuvenating Mud Mask. And I actually heard about this product and the Batiste dry shampoo from Budget Beautiful here on YouTube. Her name is Claire. She's amazing at, making videos and doing recommendations because she tries a bunch of different drugstore products. She's really good at trying all the new stuff that she sees. So, which is really good because you could afford to try a lot of different drugstore things and you might find out something that works amazing. So this is actually one of the most amazing products I've ever tried in my life. It replaced my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. Even though this is a little bit more expensive, I feel like you don't use as much product with this. It comes in a huge tub and you only have to use a little bit. With the Aussie one, I felt like a lot of product would come out and I would have to use a lot of product because, my hair still felt dry. This one, you could just use a tiny, maybe a nickel size amount, and I feel like your hair would just It's just so soft. Like, it's unbelievably soft. And then when I rinse it out and I get out of the shower, my hair doesn't stick and clump together like it did when I used to use the Aussie one. This one, it just makes my hair completely smooth. And I don't even use any other conditioner. Like, this takes the place of my conditioner. So I feel like that is like one of the most fantastic products I've ever tried. And another fantastic product is the Keratin Infusion leave-in conditioner from Suave. And this is also like heat defense. So actually any leave-in conditioner can protect your hair from the heat. So if you know you're going to be going outside or styling your hair, what I would recommend is, you know, this is only for me because I don't need as much moisture as other people do. I would skip your conditioner in the shower and then use this and leave it in because it's a great all-in-one product. It's really good for protecting your hair from the heat, conditioning your hair, managing your frizz, and also it detangles my hair. So any product like this that's super moisturizing, it really works with my hair because my hair is super tangly and it's just a mess. And then the last product I use is one that you only have to use a little bit of it because if you use a lot of it or if you get it anywhere up here, your hair will turn super duper greasy. But this is what I used today, and I literally only use it from here down. And I used a tiny, tiny bit. It's the Repairing Awapui Ginger Dry Styling Oil from Organics, and it has Awapui Ginger Extract. This is like a Hawaiian beauty secret, it says right here. And it says it uses that to instantly mend and soften dry, coarse hair while stimulating the scalp with freshness, rich keratin, proteins, and fortify each strand, creating restored, soft, strengthened hair from the inside out. Now, I don't use this on my scalp. I don't know why you would use oil on your scalp, but I don't. And on the directions, it doesn't even say that you use it. Yeah, it doesn't even say that you're supposed to use it on your scalp. You're just supposed to use it throughout your hair to tame your flyaways and to add like strength and shine to your hair. So that's exactly what it does for my hair. I'm planning on only using this when if after I condition my hair in the shower with this, and I don't use this because I don't want to put heat in my hair, I will just use this and keep my natural hair like this. And that's what I feel like it works really best for. So I love all of these products except with the exception of the Aveeno shampoo. But yeah, just the Aveeno one is something I wouldn't recommend. I'm going to try a different sulfate-free shampoo and let you guys know how that works out. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and sorry about my rambling. I just, wanted to make sure I talked about each product in its entirety. And I hope that this helped you guys out if you're looking for new hair products. I will talk to you guys later, and have a good day, guys. Bye.